Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing very well. Today I will help you to fix the broken exhaust pipe. It will be very super easy method to fix it without the help of welding. The first thing you need is the extension which you use to joint both sides together. The other thing you need is pasta, which is like a wet mud. It will be dry after the exhaust is warm up. So as you can see here, the extension you have to put on both sides of the pipelines, and you have to tighten the screws tight enough that it cannot move. Then you have to put pasta on both empty sides. So put pasta very carefully with the pour of your fingers. Here is the extension. As you can see, you can buy it from eBay, from Amazon, from many auto stores. It is very cheap. It price is around about 10 to $5. After you put this on both side of exhaust pipes, you need to just pour the pasta on both sides very carefully. This is the picture of the box which contain the pasta. The price of pasta is $5 maximum. So I will show you how it looks like from inside. It looks like wet mud. So here is light. Here it is. Very easy to apply. Just apply with your finger, because it will be super easy to apply this. After that, you need to start your car for almost 45 minutes to half an hour. Then it will dry up with the heat of the exhaust, and it will convert into a solid form, and it will stop all type of leakage.